Got a set of agitator dogs, not agitating. Another one. Pull up the deal here, and the deal here gives us access to the nut here. I got my new agitator dogs ready to go. That's what we'll be changing. Got a nice socket set here. I've indicated my socket set with a little arrow, and this works out really good with the extension. So here's the extension. What we need to do is reach up in there, and I need to hold the bottom of the bin down as I turn the deal open. That is the tricky part here. Alright, got it started. Nice and easy. Right. Set that there. Flip our deal. It's a good time to check for any coins. So we just kind of, it's a bad design on these. If you see right here, penny might not fit down, but a dime will, and it's in just the right angle. Even a penny can fit down into those and clog your pumps, so no fun. Alright. Okay, back to this deal. I'm going to set both my knees on top and then pull up to separate the deal here. Might need two hands. There we go. Got it. And our agitator flipped over. You want to make sure this little O-ring stays behind in there. Okay, and now we'll change out the agitators. Just going to kind of dump the old ones in steel, maybe. There we go. And it looks like I've got a couple little pieces left behind. I just need to tap out. There we go. Okay, and these pretty much only go in one way. You'd have to kind of force it to put them in backwards. Not that it couldn't happen, but it becomes pretty obvious which way they're designed to go in. There we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna need to hold it upside down. Take this upside down. I'll take this part upside down. Get it pressed in there. Now I can flip it right side up. Okay, with these we're going to line them up with the pegs, with the openings. Going to maintain pressure in the center. And going to line up our deal. Maintaining pressure and push it on. Now you can see it rotates. It catches one way. So we're all cleared out in the bin. We're ready for this deal. Insert that out of the way. And then we've got the nut with its own gasket on it. Again, we made sure our inner O-ring was there. And it was. I'll take our socket set. This one will just tighten it down until the bottom spins. It's not super tight, it's just there we go. Bottom's starting to spin. Alright, we're good there. We give it just one little hair past that. That's good. That's all we need. Okay. Now this deal has its own O-ring as well, so it's kind of like 3 O-rings or 3 gaskets to finish it off. If when you were pulling this apart the little tabs broke, it's not super critical. The nut with the gasket will hold it together. You just have to take more care when you put the one back in. You may have to hold the 2 pieces together. Anyway, that's it. Agitator dogs are now doing what they're supposed to. It just agitates one way. There may be some out there that agitate both ways, but this particular machine just agitates one way. If your clothes were coming out stinky or not clean, not washed, this may be one reason why. Or if they were coming out soaking wet, it may be that your agitator is not agitating. And this is how you can check it to make sure it rotates like that. If it doesn't rotate, then you'll need to change out your agitator dogs. And there are a couple different styles of agitator. This one, and then there's a piece that the agitator dog is all one piece. It's pretty similar to change out. That's how to do this one with a Ken Moore stackable washing machine. Thanks for watching. Okay, got another washing machine. The same deal. It's 2 for Tuesday. All right, we'll pull it up. Let's take a look. There's that. Here's our deal. I should have kind of prepped this. There we go. Got my deal marked for speeding things up. There we go. You're going to need to kind of hold it on the bottom. Just one hand. Okay, my phone switched to the other storage device. So I'm just loosening it. Got it a bit looser. Still a little. This one's going to be a little harder to turn all the way. I may have to hold it while I unratchet the deal. Okay, there's our bolt with the gasket. Pull it up. I'll make sure there's no change down there. Oh, dimes. See, yeah, I can show you. Dimes will just go right past. Go in any of these holes and go right in. See that? Fit right in there. Go down the pump. Mess things up really bad, so want to definitely make sure to get the change out of the pockets. And whoever designed this, you know, it's cool they got these plastic deals. They should have something like that on all of them to prevent stuff from going down there. What can you do? You know, a screen, something. But no, maybe it's planned obsolescence. Okay, here we go. You got to separate the two halves. And again, I may need both hands. Oh, I was able to do it. All right. And our deal flipped right over. And looks like we lost all our pieces. Make sure to get all the pieces out of there. Okay. Now we'll feed our new agitator dogs in. Here's one piece stuck in here. There we go. Okay, and again we need to flip this up. Make sure that's nice and clear. It's not super clear. Okay. Upside down. And we're going to flip this one upside down this way. Speed it up and through. Hold it together, flip it over. Now on this one, we need to make sure our O-ring's in here. This one is, but it's got some other little funky little things in there that we don't want in there. Make sure we clear all that out of there. Let's see if I can use this deal. There we go. Good. Without messing up our O-ring. Alright. So now we need to rotate this so that the two clips are lined up there. And I'm going to hold these together. Going to insert it on the top. Oop. Oop, oop, oop. I pushed a little too far. I need to double check and make sure that all of our, no, one of the agitators came out. So I need to kind of start over here. So I'm going to flip it back upside down. Oh shoot. There we go. Okay. Reset our deals. Get all this junk out of there. Okay. There's a reset. There we go. Put it back on. Flip it back over. And try again. It's tricky with, oh shoot. Got a little funky something over there. Don't like that stuff down in there. Well, you know what? I'm going to get it on first, and then we'll flip the whole thing upside down. Alright, I got my pliers, and we'll... Ah, shoot. Alright. Gives us a chance to clean it up. Tap it out. Okay, reset all these again. We'll get them. Third time. Okay. It's a lot easier with two hands. It's not so easy with one hand. There we go. Pinched my finger pretty good, but the deed is done. We're in. Okay. And now we'll slide it back over. And as I was explaining to you on the other one, if one of these tabs snapped, it's not super critical. You just hold both halves together as you slip it over here, and then this deal would hold it together. You can make up for a tab if that so happened, which happens sometimes on these. Okay, this one we're going to tighten it down until the bottom moves, and then just a little hair past that. There we go. Now hold down the bottom just a little bit. And there we go. And now this one, the second O-ring goes in the top. Nice and snug. And then our top lid. And now we agitate one way. That's a done deal. That's changing the agitators. 2 for Tuesday on a Kenmore stackable laundry center. Done deal.